Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Puppy Valentines is probably one of the most adorable and heartwarming ways to celebrate love this February, offering a unique opportunity to spoil your furry best friend with gifts that express just how much they mean to you, turning a day typically associated with human romance into a delightful occasion for pet parents to shower their canine companions with affection and special treats, making it a truly memorable and cherished event for both you and your beloved pup. Number 5. Bearington Hairy Hugglesmore Dog Stuffed Animal. Introducing Hairy Hugglesmore, an 11-inch adorable stuffed animal dog. Its fluffy, cuddly charm makes it perfect for Valentine's Day gifts for kids and adults alike. Experience our premium plush toy with incredibly soft fur and excellent craftsmanship. It's the perfect Valentine's gift to bring joy and comfort to your loved ones. Lovingly designed to become an adorable childhood companion, this charming plush is an ideal gift that will be cherished for years. Witness a friendship bloom. Bearington is synonymous with global excellence in plush toys, celebrated for opulent fabrics and unparalleled craftsmanship. Elevate your festivities with our custom luxury and utmost quality. With a legacy spanning 25 years, our collection ranges from timeless teddy bears to lifelike dog plushies. Our creations bring joy and comfort to every age. What we like. This plush dog offers incredibly soft fur and a charming neckerchief, making it a delightful gift. It's designed to be a cherished companion for years to come. If you're looking for a classic, comforting Valentine's gift that evokes warmth and nostalgia, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This dog plushie is absolutely adorable. Super soft, super plush and bigger than I pictured in my mind. The dog is so soft and huggable. It has an adorable face and the red hearts add to the appeal. Super cute, soft and cuddly. Just what I wanted to gift. Number 4. Dog Pop Tubes Fidget Sensory Toys, 4-pack. Introducing our fun dog-shaped pop tubes, designed to captivate and entertain your little ones. These sensory toys offer a delightful tactile and auditory experience. Watch as they transform these tubes into various shapes, sparking creativity and imagination. The cute animal design not only looks appealing but also ensures safety for little hands. These pop tubes make a satisfying crisp sound when stretched and popped. They are perfect for little fingers to manipulate and explore, providing endless amusement. Ideal as fidget toys for toddlers and kids with autism, these also make great classroom prizes and Easter basket stuffers. They are designed for ages 3 and up. Featuring a unique dog design with mechanical legs, these toys can stand on their own. The head and tail can also be rotated for added interactive play. These sensory tubes are a fantastic way to encourage exploration and provide calming sensory input. They are a wonderful addition to any toy collection. What we like. These pop tubes feature a fun, interactive design with a cute dog body that can stand on its own. They offer a satisfying sensory experience with popping and stretching sounds. If you need engaging, tactile toys for kids who love to fidget and explore different shapes, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very cute and the puppy design is adorable. It's a great gift for dog lovers, the quality is good. The size is perfect for a small decoration, very detailed. Number 3. Bearington Remington I Love You More Teddy Bear. Express your affection with this adorable and fluffy teddy bear. It's crafted for cuddles and makes the perfect gift to uplift the spirit of love. Sweep your loved one off their feet with this premium bear. Made with plush, soft fur and excellent craftsmanship, it's perfect for anyone you cherish. Give the gift of lifelong companionship with this adorable plush. It's a special Valentine's gift that will be cherished forever. Bearington is synonymous with global excellence in plush toys. Our creations embody custom luxury and utmost quality, crafted with opulent fabrics. Our legacy spans 25 years of crafting beloved stuffed toys. From timeless teddy bears to other delightful companions, our creations bring joy and comfort for every age. What we like. This teddy bear is designed to convey a heartfelt, I love you more message with its premium, soft fur. It's crafted to be a timeless gift that creates memorable moments. If you're searching for a classic, affectionate Valentine's gift that speaks volumes of love, this bear is an ideal selection. What people say. A well-made and super soft doll. Great size and super soft and classic design. I loved the quality, so I kept the product. It's super cute and the color is very bright. I have already put it through tons of washes and it's still great. Number 2. Bearington Romantic Rover Stuffed Animal. Introducing Romantic Rover, your new 12-inch fluffy stuffed animal dog. He's the perfect companion for anyone looking for a cute and cozy friend. Looking for a special Valentine's gift? This premium plush toy is crafted with soft fur and exceptional detail. It's sure to bring joy and comfort to your little ones. This charming plush dog is designed to be a cherished childhood companion. It's an ideal gift that will create beautiful memories and foster a lasting friendship. Experience the global excellence of Bearington in plush toys. We are celebrated for opulent fabrics, unparalleled craftsmanship, and uniquely designed stuffed animals. With 25 years of crafting stuffed toys, our collection offers something for everyone. From timeless teddy bears to lifelike dog plushies, our creations bring joy and comfort for every age. This delightfully cuddly toy is perfect for babies, kids, and adults alike. It's the ideal bedtime buddy for those who crave a cute and cozy friend. What we like? This 12-inch fluffy puppy offers exceptional softness and is perfect for snuggling up with. It's designed to be a cozy bedtime buddy for kids and adults alike. If you desire a high-quality, irresistibly cuddly stuffed animal that brings comfort and joy, this adorable puppy is a wonderful pick. What people say. This dog plushie is absolutely adorable. Super soft, super plush and bigger than I pictured in my mind. The dog is so soft and huggable. It has an adorable face and the red hearts add to the appeal. Super cute, soft, and cuddly. Just what I wanted to gift. Number 1. LEGO BrickHeadz 40349 Valentine's Puppy Building Kit. Introducing the adorable Valentine's Puppy, a delightful buildable LEGO BrickHeadz figure. It comes complete with a heart and rose, featuring classic BrickHeadz eyes and posable ears and tail for extra charm. This charming puppy is a perfect addition to your growing LEGO BrickHeadz collection. You can find characters from all your favorite movies, TV shows, games, and comics. Get creative and mash up your LEGO BrickHeadz characters. Combine them to create unique hybrid figures or invent your very own amazing characters. This Valentine's Puppy buildable toy stands over 3 inches, 8 centimeters, tall. It's the perfect size for display or for imaginative play. Looking for a special Valentine's Day gift? This buildable toy is a heartwarming present for any LEGO fan, bringing joy and creativity together. What we like? This LEGO BrickHeadz kit allows you to build a charming Valentine's puppy holding a heart and rose. It features posable ears and tail for interactive play and collection. If you enjoy hands-on building and want a unique, displayable Valentine's gift that encourages creativity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. My 7-year-old and 4-year-old loved these. My 4-year-old needed some help assembling, but my 7-year-old did most of his by himself. Very cute and fun. This was a gift for Valentine's Day for my boys. They love Legos and these were fun and a great decoration for the month of February. So cute. Was a gift for a friend, but she said it was a fun build and sent me the pic. Would buy again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.